Let's do question number 6, exercise 3.1. Here we are to find the angle measure x in the following figures. So here we'll use angle sum property, as we have given angles and we have to find out that unknown angles here. Here we are to find out unknown angles, right? So we will use angle sum property here. So what the angle sum property of a quadrilateral says, it says that sum of angles is equal to 360 degree. So to apply this property, we can find out the value of this x, right? So we can write down it as x plus 50 degree plus 130 degree plus 120 degree is equal to 360 degree, right? Then x plus, if we will add it, 300 degree is equal to 360 degree. If you subtract other side, you will get x is equal to 360 degree minus 300 degree is equal to 60 degree. So this is our answer. So like this, we can find out, yes, 60 degrees right answer. We can find out here the value of unknown angle by using angle sum property of the polygon. So here it was four angles, four-sided figures. So we'll use the angle sum property of quadrilateral, as general quadrilateral is given here. So we'll add the angles and we will keep it as equal to 360 degree, because sum of angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So from there we can find out x. जैसे सबसे पहले हम ट्राइंगल किया करते थे इन क्लास 7. So we were given two angles और third angle हमें find out करना होता. So there we have used property, angle sum property there. The sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So here we have given quadrilateral now. There is no difference. Here we have given quadrilateral now. And sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360. So we'll use here 360. Right? Next is B part. Here also we have given quadrilateral. Right? So we have to find out this value of x. So you can see here, you have given this angle 70 degree. This angle 60 degree. This angle will be 90 because outside is 90, so inside it should also be all 90 degree because it's a straight line, right? Now we are to find out angle x. So again here we will use angle sum property here. Here also we'll use angle sum property as earlier. So this angle will also 90 because it's a straight line. So we can write down here x plus 70 degree plus 60 degree plus 90 degree. All sum of these four angles will be 360 degree. So x plus what it will be? 150 plus 70, 220 degree is equal to 360 degree. 220 will be subtracted this side. So x will be equal to 360 minus 120, 220 sorry, is equal to 140 degree. So our answer will be 140 degree. Okay, this the value of x will be 140 degree. Next is C part. Here you can see we have given 5 sides, 1 2 3 4 5. So it's a pentagon now, it's not a quadrilateral. So here we will use angle sum property of pentagon. This angle is given 30 degree. These two angles given as x. Outside angles, exterior angles are given here. So we'll find out interior angles first, because we are using the property of interior angles, angle sum property of interior angles. That's why we will find out here interior angles, right? So this is angle 1. So this is angle 2. So angle 1 plus angle 7 is equal to 180 degree. So angle 1 plus 7 is angle 7, sorry, 70 degree. 70 degree. So 70 will be subtracted here is equal to 180 minus 70 is equal to 110 degree. So this angle 1 will be 110 degree. Similarly, we can find out this angle 2 by subtracting 60 from 180. So this angle will be 120 degree because this also lie on straight line. So now we will use angle sum property of pentagon, as this is 110, this is 120. So we can write as x plus 30 degree plus 110 degree plus 120 degree is equal to 360 degree. Sorry, not 360. It will be 540 degree, because here we have given 5 sides, we have here given pentagon, so we'll use angle sum property as 540 degree. So this angle is 30 degree given, these two angles as xx, one angle is this given 110, this angle is given 120. We have found, actually we have found these two angles as 110 and 120. So add it now. X plus x 2x plus 120 plus 110 plus 30. It will be 140 and 120, sorry, 120, 260 degree is equal to 540 degree. Subtracted, 2x is equal to 540 minus 260. X is equal, 2x is equal to 280 degree. X is equal to 280 degree divided by 2, 140 degree. This is the answer here, right? So now let's move to the next part. D part, what is given here? Here we have given a pentagon again. Here again we have given a pentagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. But all of the sides and angles are equal. All of the sides and angles are equal. So we'll do it like x plus 5 times x plus x plus x, which will be equal to again 540. Why? Because this is a pentagon and it has 5 angles. It has 5 angles, right? So as it has 5 angles, so its sum will be 540 degree. Why? Because 5 minus 2 multiply 180 is equal to 3 into 180 is equal to 540 degree. Like this way we can find out the sum of angles of any polygon by subtracting 2 from the number of sides and then multiplying by 180. Then 5x is equal to 540. 5x is equal, sorry, x is equal to 540 divided by 5. It will be 108 degree. Right? The answer will be 108 degree. So value of x is 108 degree. The next is 7th question. Here also you have to find out the unknown angles x, y and z. Here x, y and z are exterior angles. You have to find out x plus y plus z. So First of all, we have to find out this angle. Then only we can find out the exterior angles, right? So, here we have given triangle now, right? यहाँ पे हमें क्या given है? Triangle. Triangle में हम triangle sum angle sum property triangle की use करेंगे. So, if I give this angle as 1, firstly I need angle 1. How to find out this angle 1? By using angle sum property. Angle 1 plus 30 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then angle 1 plus 30 plus 90, 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Subtract 120 from it. So angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. Right? So angle 1 is here 60 degree. So now we got angle 1 is equal to 60 degree. Then now we have to find out x, y and z here. Then we will add it. सबसे पहले x find out करते हैं. कैसे find out करेंगे x? How to find out x here? It's a straight line. 90 is interior, x is in the exterior. So we will find out it as x plus 90 is equal to 180 because they lie on the straight line, or you can say linear pair. Subtract 90. 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree. Yes, by linear pair. How to find out y now? With the same method. Y plus 60 is equal to 180. Y plus 60 is equal to 180. Subtract 60. So y will be 120 degree. Same here. Z plus 30 is equal to 180. So y will be 150 degree. 180 minus 30 is equal to 150 degree. Next part is D. Next is D part. You are to here find out x plus y plus z plus w here. So firstly we will find out, we need to find out the all four angles of the quadrilateral. This 60 given, 80 given, 120 given. So let's find out this angle. Okay. So 120 plus 80 plus 60 plus say this is 1. Angle sum property use करेंगे इस एंगल को 1 को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए. हाउ टू डू इट? 6 angle 1 plus 60 plus 80 plus 120 is equal to 360 degree because it's given a quadrilateral. So sum of angles will be 360 degree. Then angle 1 plus add it 260 260 is equal to 360 degree. Subtract it. Angle 1 is equal to 360 minus 260 is equal to 100 degree. Right? So we got here angle 1 is equal to 200 degree, 100 degree, right? Then now this angle is 100 degree by angle sum property. Now we will find out exterior angles. Let's see how to find out x here. It's a straight line. It's forming linear pair. So subtract 180, 120 from 180. You will get here 60 degree. ठीक है. फिर y क्या आएगा आपके पास? 180 minus 80, 100 degree. Okay. Then z क्या आएगा आपके पास? 180 minus 60, 120 degree. And w 180 minus 100, 80 degree. You have to find out x plus y plus z plus w. Add these. 60 plus 100 plus 120 plus 80 is equal to 360 degree. But we forgot to find out here also. दिस वन, इसमें आपके पास क्या आया था ये एंगल 120, 90 and what was here 150 degree. Add it. X is here 90 degree, Y is here 120 degree and Z is here 150 degree. Add it, what it will be 360 degree. Okay, so now here the exercise is completed.